Okay, I got the battery in the Massey Feguson 65. I know it won't fire. I know it has no spark. I already tested that before. The main reason what we're going to do is just roll it over a little bit so it won't seize. Probably should check this. Ooh. Looks dark. It smells pretty gassy, so if you ever did want to restore it and get it running again, you'd have to change oil and antifreeze and the gas in the tank. It's not going to suck the gas up because the carburetor's screwed up anyway. How do you like a battery being right next to a gas tank? I think that's a pretty good genius idea, especially when you have to sit down right next to it and try to start it. Okay, let's see. This is, you can't even see it, but it says temperature, or no, it's oil pressure. Yeah, we gotta make sure it has that. 4,459 hours, or 54 hours. There's the volt. I think right here is the temperature gauge. I drove this one, I was 10 years old, out in the field dragging this tractor here. Never got to drive that one, but I got to drive this one. This was one of my favorite tractors until the starter kept breaking the cone off. And that's what I'm worried about right now. Now this has a safety neutral problem on it. So I'm gonna have to set the camera down in order to do this. And try to zoom in at the engine so you can kind of see it and see what it does. If it even does anything, I don't know. It's safety neutral switch may be bad, I don't know. We'll find out here. Uh-oh. Nothing. Again. Come on, baby. Huh. There's a safety switch for the mechanism that is bad on this thing. Boy, she sounds pretty tight, don't it? That's it. Well, at least it got rolled over enough anyway. That battery's probably